over here to the table if you can with me, folks, because this is going to help you see very quickly not only what the item is, but also the great color choices. 7,000 of these already ordered on the day. Now, we're close to selling out of what we can ship right away, and then we're going to move into an advanced order of March 27th. Oh, in fact, we've already moved to advanced orders on 4 choices. But let me first show you what this is. A Lazy Susan is a circular tray that's on a base that spins. And this is a glass Lazy Susan with what Tara calls her classic pattern. Old World and floral laces inside. Now, confetti is going to ship March the 27th. Then I've got it in red, and that ships now. Right? Checking. Oh. Okay, we'll come back on red. Here's green. Ships now with 250 left. Black. March 27th. Gray. Ships now, 450 left. Taupe. March 27th, shipping. Blue. March 27th. What do we know about red? Still looking on the red. So all this comes together for you at a really marvelous price, $19.12. Think about this in the middle of your dinner table, and all your condiments are on there and your napkin holder. Think about this beside your stove with all of the utensils and the things you're cooking with, not to mention you're in the kitchen with David's salt box and other goodies. Anywhere you need to access something and have it spin, these are going to become really important pieces to have in the house. Really great to help you reimagine your space. And we're going to talk to, oh, red has sold out completely. Is that right? Okay, so Ed, you'll take red away. Thank you. So let's bring in Tara Tescher. She is the lady who has been up since early this morning talking about lots of cool items from Temp-tations. Is she on the phone?
I am.
Oh, we're having a Skype issue. So Tara, I understand you're on the telephone. How are you, love?
I am doing wonderful, David. Just here spinning my Lazy Susans. How about you?
Well, we can imagine exactly what you're doing because we're doing the same thing. You know, I've got one set up here like a charcuterie board, and I think this is such a fun idea because now you use it for serving when you are treating your family, and we hope, Tara, at some point soon to be entertaining again. And when we do that, a great way to make sure that your guests have a little something to nibble on.
You're absolutely right. And David, it's food safe. So what's nice is you can build that board right on there. So it's 12 inches, which is fantastic, but it has that beautiful spin. Do you see as you're spinning that, how smooth it is? It's not jerking. No matter what the weight, as long as it's evenly distributed, you can spin that. And I love this for barbecue, taking it out to your back deck where you have all of your condiments, or you can even tuck this up in your cabinet and maybe get all of your spices now organized as well. So this, for me, solves a million problems right there.
Oh, wait, Tara, what if I put a cake or a pie on here and used it for serving? How cool would that be?
Not only that, you know what you're going to love? And I know you love to do this. How about your cupcakes on there and you're spinning it as you're icing them?
Yes.
Or you have a cake and you're icing the cake. I love the fact that whether you're serving from it or you're actually using it to do something, that's what this piece is so great for. So, you know, we debuted our counter saver and that tempered glass, and everybody loved it. We heard loud and clear, could we bring a Lazy Susan? We've done one other in wood. It had stoneware on it. This is truly, whether it's your bar that you're entertaining, whether it's your hot app, your cold app, no matter what you want to have on a turnstile, this is perfect. Maybe you keep it next to your coffee bar and you just have some of your Keurig pods and some of your coffee cups. Again, this can be used in the kitchen or around your house, like in your powder room if you wanted.
You know, I remember visiting the cake factory for Cake Boss and watching him on a Lazy Susan ice cakes with an offset spatula. And I remember it was so cool. I was thinking, I've got to get myself one of those spinny things. All right, so this is one of those spinny things, right?
Right.
So we have already sold out of red. Other colors have been moved to advanced order. I'm told now every color is in advanced order. That means for the day now we've taken orders for nearly 9,000 in this show alone. 2,000 are now gone. And as Tara likes to mention, this is her classic where she includes Old World floral and then the floral lace. So you've got Old World and floral lace all in one. She calls this classic, and you order it by color. So this is the blue. Shipping now, all these are shipping 3/27, March 27th. So in the blue, in the taupe, here's the gray, Really pretty if you had stainless steel appliances in your kitchen. Here's the black. Don't forget green. And finally, Tara's favorite, the one she collects, is the confetti. Now, we are last call in the black, and confetti is also getting limited.
Wow.
How about that? So we have a giant Lazy Susan on the table. Did you all see that? I have a giant Lazy Susan. When we built these new sets, I remember saying to our sets and props folks, I said, when you build the new set, please put some kind of Lazy Susan on the dining room table. Because when we're showing multiple colors, how easy is this? The same rule applies in your own home. You're not showing colors, obviously, unless you're playing QVC, which I fully support. But this is fantastic because now it's about serving. It's about ease. It's about organization. It's about, Tara, something you're going to hear a lot more on Wednesday night, reimagining your space, right? So all of this comes together. I would put this in the middle of my dinner table and put salt, pepper, napkin holder, and then if you're having steak sauce on here, ketchup for French fries, mustard for your burgers and hot dogs, whatever the case is. And then when you're grilling this summer, take it out to the barbecue with all of your barbecue seasonings, right?
Yes, and you know what I actually did? In my refrigerator, this fits perfectly, and I took up, or I removed some of that kind of shelf space and use this to put my salad dressing in and things that kind of get jammed in those drawers and on those shelves. Now I can see everything as well. And this is brand new, David. Brand new today. I love this. It's so fun.
Well, and I want to echo something you said earlier, Tara, because old Lazy Susans had ball bearings in there that made noise when you turned it. These are whisper quiet. I'll stop talking, just listen. Do you hear anything? No. You don't, because there's no sound. These are whisper silent. All right, so this is confetti. Fewer than 200 shipping March 27th. And the green, fewer than 800. Here is the black. Black has just sold out. Then I've got it for you. I'll just pull this over, Marianne. Here is the gray. 1,800 left in the gray. Then I've got it for you in taupe. Fewer than 500 in taupe. And then I have it in the blue. 900, sorry, is the blue. We've now taken orders for nearly 10,000 on the day, 5,000 in this show. Oh, confetti just sold out. Oh, Tara, it's going to be one of those days.
Did you wear your rubber sole shoes?
I wore my rubber sole shoes. I'm just going to hide this in the chair. All right, there we go. So now we have only 4 colors remaining. Let's go ahead and go back to the beginning. Here's green. 700 remaining. Here's the gray. 1,700 left. And there is your taupe. 350, and finally the blue. 800 remaining in the blue. We need to ask everyone to utilize QVC.com and your mobile app. Those are going to be your best ways to get through right now. Tara, we have 1,500 people on the phone lines waiting to place an order. Those folks could also be using QVC.com as well as their mobile app. These are all best ordering experiences right now because we are getting super, super busy with everything. You know, Tara, something like this is not only priced right, but it's the right item at the right time. We're looking for ease in our kitchen. We're spending more time there than ever before.
You're right. Ease and organization, David. And if this is that way to declutter kind of your countertops, maybe you don't know where to put everything, or you just want to use it for decoration and put your flameless candles around it, you can do that as well. My mom, actually, you'll laugh, called me this morning and said, I bought one of those Lazy Susan things of yours. And I said, okay, I probably could have brought you one, but all right. And she's like, I'm going to actually use it. You know, this is my mom. I'm going to actually use it for some of my little plants. So she has some plants that she keeps on a little table by her window. And she's like, I can give them a little spin every time, and they follow the sun. I thought that was really sweet, too. So now it becomes a gardening piece as well as a piece for all your condiments and organization.
Also, if she's trimming or pruning, she can spin those as she needs to. I think that's a really brilliant idea. I do want to remind you, this is a today-only price. And what does that mean? This price only good on this item until end of day today or until the item sells out, whichever comes first. We are wild, crazy, banana town busy. And I would encourage everybody to get theirs because for the day now, we've taken orders for well over 12,000 gone for the day. And in this show alone, well over 6,000 gone. Now, this is the green, 600 left in the green. From there, we're going to move to gray, 1,500 in the gray. This is taupe. Taupe just sold out, all right. And then we'll move over blue. 500 left in the blue. Now, if you're on the line, stay on the line. The one thing you cannot buy is the big tabletop Lazy Susan. That belongs to QVC. Yeah. Can't buy that one. Sorry. But you know what? The same rule applies here. We installed Lazy Susan to make it easier to organize choices and make them easier to show you. The same principle applies. It's just bigger, and Tara's is smaller, and you want it to be smaller so it'll fit in your kitchen, right? All right, so all of this happens for you. Plus, if you had that on your tabletop, it'd be hard to cut a steak. You'd be like this. All right, so anyway, just a little editorial comment. Hey, let's remind everybody that we are very busy and we're going to check in with Mary. She's got some updates. And then Tara, I believe we're going right into another item, aren't we? Let's first check in with Mary and we're coming straight back with another item with Tara.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, everybody, stay